But joining us now is Payoneer CEO John Caplan. Payoneer is a fintech company that is focused on small and medium-sized businesses. You join me here on set. It's great to have you. Welcome back.
Lovely to be here. Happy summer.
I do want to start right there because when we keep hearing about how hot and how fast-growing an entity like Temu is and some of these Chinese e-commerce players, including into the U.S. market, to see a warning like this and shares plummet as much as they did, what does it say about the global marketplace right now?
I think the first thing is that context is important. PDD's run up 20% since July. So the company is actually doing really well, and it's innovative. Disrupting Amazon is not easy. So I think they have their work cut out for them. At Payoneer, the world's best sellers use a Payoneer account, whether they sell on Walmart or Etsy or Amazon or on a Temu platform. So from our perspective, competition in the global marketplace is good for U.S. consumers.
Are these Chinese e-tailers disrupting Amazon?
Well, they're certainly bringing creativity and a new way of selling, lots of discounting, all of the kinds of things that, cash-strapped consumers like.
Okay. So what does that mean for the strength and health and robustness of the Amazons of the world?
We saw, in the first half of the year, we had 15% growth in our marketplace payouts business. I think that's because consumers know they can rely on Amazon and Walmart, Etsy, and other platforms for great value and good products. I think the consumer in the U.S. is pretty healthy.
Okay. So in light of that, we get some more retail earnings later this week. So far, we've been getting glimpses into what's hot, what's not, what consumers are spending money on. What are you seeing across your data? Yeah,
so we have a lot of data because the world's best e-commerce merchants use Payoneer to sell their products to the world. What we see is consumers increasingly looking for quality and value. So it's, Amazon, you can find lots of quality and lots of value doing well. The discretionary spending, we saw Wayfair struggle a little bit more. Maybe people, don't need another patio set. The patio set they have is just fine for now. Amazon, I think, is going to do just fine.
How about apparel?
Yeah, I think, if it's in style, people are wearing it. I don't know about you, but my kids are constantly asking for cool new things.
Oh, my gosh. We're in back-to-school shopping.
Indeed, we are.
Right now. Okay, so the U.S. consumer seems to be doing well, seems to be healthy. How much of a read do you have across some of the other key markets, especially as we do see much more cross-border selling and buying? Yeah, so our company at Payoneer, we have a business account for global cross-border sellers. So 50% of our business is goods, consumer goods primarily, 50% is services. We just acquired a business called Squad to really move into the cross-border payroll space. Workforce management, global. After the pandemic, people are looking for access to quality talent all over the globe. So we think the service economy is really set for accelerated growth. And of course, we're seeing that in some of your numbers, and you are reinvesting a lot of that back into the business. Inventory buildup, are we starting to see that play out as well?
I don't have a read on that particularly. I don't see that from our data.
Okay. Anything else we should be keeping in mind?
Yeah, I think right now cross-border trade and confidence of the SMB. Our data suggests that the small businesses are very focused on finding new markets to sell into and new markets to source from, whether they're sourcing talent, labor, goods, or services. I think I looked at U.S. government data before coming on the show. I think we've seen 8% increase in service imports into the United States this year versus 3% growth in goods. So service imports a real opportunity for entrepreneurs here in the U.S. looking to globalize their reach, globalize their access to talent. That feels like where the economy's headed.